Hi everyone. Welcome to Sick Focus, your place to discover wellness. So you might be wondering, am I bored of my relationship? Well, relationships take you to places you have never been, and these can be worst. Today we will learn the ways to fix a boring relationship. Let's get started. One, a unique date is a must. You have to start going on dates again. But not just any dates. Remember when you first got together and all dates felt new and exciting? After a while, though, going to the same restaurant felt more like a comfort thing than it did an exciting thing. 2. Fix your perception of your partner and your relationship. Often the way we look at things causes us to feel one way or the other, and a simple change in mindset can help us feel completely different. In your relationship, you may view your partner in a way that makes him or her look completely boring to you. 3. Celebrate each other's uniqueness. The trick to celebrating each other's uniqueness is to allow each other to be who you are, without judgment or ridicule. This means you can't tell your partner they are stupid because they like to meditate. 4. Become best friends. Your best friend is the closest person you have, and they are the one that you can always count on for fun, laughter, and good times. They are willing to do things with you that you want to do, and they are people who you are willing to go the extra mile for. 5. Stop being so smart and proper all the time. Being smart is a good thing in life, but when your intelligence is the only thing you bring to your relationship, it is going to get boring. Intelligence causes you to hold back in your relationship. 6. Show how much you love them in different ways. You may be someone who can buy them diamond rings all the time to show your love, but after a while that becomes boring. It's something that happens repetitively in the relationship, which becomes unexciting after a while. 7. Change up your routine. Just like in your own life, a routine can become boring after a while. If you are stuck in a rut with your partner, then change up your routine to create some excitement. 8. Play games in your relationship. When it comes to how to fix a boring relationship, games can really help. I'm not talking about being sporty in your relationship. I'm talking about a little healthy competition that can help spice up your relationship. 9. Start sexting. Stop using text to talk about important dates and what you need to pick up from the grocery store. It's time to start using it in a way that makes your relationship less boring and much more scandalous. It will remind you of how exciting your partner can be. It will remind you of how dirty they can be. It will help you focus on other things besides the boring part of your relationship. It will keep you guessing about what they are going to say next. 10. Take action on what works. Don't sit around and list off why things can or cannot be done. Don't wait for things to get better or more fun before you start taking action. When you can clearly see what action would improve any situation, start doing it. 11. Work out together. Not only does a dual sweat blasting session increase workout motivation, it can also improve couples communication. Get started with these kick-ass partner exercises. 12. Put sex on the schedule. When we are crazy busy, sex can be one of the first things to go by the wayside. But sex is also key to maintaining intimacy and relationship satisfaction. Well, that's all for today, and we thank you for watching. Please check the description for recommended offers. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe our channel for more videos every week. Also, don't forget to press on bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Please connect with us on FB and Instagram also.